Okay, Elena, here is your video for the day. We're going to do IE. So for IE, it's a two vowels go walking. First does the talking and says its name, so it says I. So we're going to read it. T and then IE, I. T, I, and then blend it together. Tie. So you can read the other two with Mom right now. And then we're going to do AR. AR makes R. You're going to read those with Mom. We have T-R, tar. So you can read those other four now. ING makes ing. So I would like you to read those ones. ANG makes ang. Ang, sang. You can read the other two. This one is all. All, ball. So read the other three now. AIR makes air. We read it as air, and then we blend it together, fair. So I'd like you to read those two now. And then OY makes oi. Oi, boy. So you can read those three now. UE and EW all make oo. So I would like you to read these. And then I'm going to tell you about, this one is blue like the color blue, and this one is like you blew a bubble. UR, ER, and IR make So you can start reading these now. And then we are going to do uppercase Y is a V shape like this. And then we come down. We use half the line and then we use half the line. For lowercase y, we do this. So we just have a slant and a slant like we're making a V, and then we go into the hot lava. So uppercase Y, lowercase y, using it exactly how I'm using it. Then we have a Q. We start with the C shape, we come up, we go into the hot lava, and we go up. So you can practice making a whole bunch of those as well. And then we are going to do K. We use the whole line for an uppercase K, and a lowercase we use the whole line, and then we use half the line to make the slanted line, slanted line. Then J. And then we're going to do a G, makes a C shape, up and over. Start with an A, go into the hot lava and make a fish hook. C, come up and go over. We make an A shape and a fish hook. Okay, we're going to do our numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3. You can go ahead and do 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and do those ones. Seven, 8, 9. And then we're going to do 10, 11, 12. Okay, next one is you're going to read 4 of these, whatever 4 you want. OW makes 2 sounds. You're going to try it both ways and see what makes sense. And then we're going to do the next page. This is the other OW. You're going to pick 4 and you're going to practice those. Then we have 2 ways to make AW, to make aw. So you're going to read these 4 right here. And then you're going to read these bottom 4 as well. And then we're going to do OU makes ow. So pick 4 of those to do, and you can do the crossed out ones now. Those are, you're ready for those. Okay. And then Celia, we have these ones. Ly makes Lee. UE and EW make oo. AL makes ul. And LE makes ol. Okay, so Celia, these ones are, they're starting to get really, really crazy. So we're just going to go through them. These are for you, not for Elena. So we have KN, GN, GH, and these ones all have a letter that does not say anything. We have QU and WH as well. So these are the ones there. They don't really make sense at all. And KN just says n, so you have not, like you tie a knot in something. So KN makes n, the K doesn't say anything. So here's the page for that. I think you have all of them. And then QU is down here. It just makes qua, so the U is just there for spelling. It doesn't say anything. So these are the QU words. And then WH just makes wa, like wa, N. And here are the WH. And then SE just makes S. And we didn't go over PH yet. That makes F, like an F sound. And then the final one that we talked about was GN. And it just makes N. And then we didn't talk about this yet. So silent E, if you have an E at the end of a word, it jumps over a letter and it makes the vowel say its name. So it can make A say its name like ba-ache. This makes this say A. It could make an I say I, like ba-ike. It could make an O say its name, like code. And it can make an E say its name, like pa-eat. Okay, so I'm just marking which ones we did. Now, GH makes G at the beginning of a word, ghost, ghastly. At the end of a word, so it makes G at the beginning of a word. At the end of a word, it makes F, like enough. Rough, tough. So GH can make G, and it can also make F if it's at the end of a word.